Birds are the best known of all animals because of the interest they have always inspired in man. Thanks to their particular characteristics, such as their tremendous flying ability, their extraordinary vocal skills, and their wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Since man first appeared on the face of the earth, there has always been a rich variety of bird species, and this is still true today, with the continuous evolution of new forms. Birds occupy a large variety of ecological niches, and are to be found in practically any habitat on our planet. The greatest diversity of existing species of birds is to be found in South America, around 2,900. That's 40% of the total number, which is why it has been called the bird continent. Venezuela is one of the countries with the largest number of species, around 1,400. This wealth of birds exists thanks to the large number of ecosystems to be found the length and breadth of the country. The Orinoco floodable plains, several different mountain chains, the mysterious Orinoco-Amazon region, more than 1,600 miles of shoreline,